Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to razcapapercraft YouTube channel. Last week I showed you how to make this 3D origami Easter basket, and today I will start the tutorial for this 3D origami egg. There are different models. I have many more, but I use only 5 models for this basket. And today I will start with the simplest one, and it is very easy to make and a very small model. Let's start. For this model we need 2 colors. Again, I use cream and dark brown, and these are small 3D origami pieces. You will obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. These small pieces are made exactly in the same way like the large one. The only difference is the size of the rectangular of paper. And these pieces are made from this rectangular of paper, 3.6 by 2.7 centimeters. You can find this information in the description of the video. And now, very quickly, I will make the 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, you will find several links in the description of the video. And I finished the 3D origami piece. You can see there is a huge difference between these two pieces, and now I will transform this red one. I will use 6 large pieces connected together in a row. I put the edges in the pocket, push, and then with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with them and the model will look very beautiful. In the beginning of the video I will show you how I glue 3D origami pieces, and I use normal paper stick glue. You can find this in every office supply store, and I put some glue inside the pocket and then connect with other pieces. And we will start. We put in the first row dark brown pieces and in the second row cream, and we connect pieces like this until we have 4 pieces in the first row and 3 pieces in the second row, like this. And next we will close the circle and put the last cream piece in the second row. Like this. Now we increase the number of the pieces in a row. We have 4 pieces in a row, and we increase to 8. And we increase with cream pieces. We put 1 cream piece here between the pieces from the previous row, and then we put 2 cream above. Like this. And then we repeat. We increase again, and then 2 dark brown pieces above. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. And now we have 8 dark brown pieces in this last row. Next we put an entire cream row like this. Now we have 8 pieces in this last row, and next we increase again from 8 pieces to 16, and again we increase with cream pieces, and we put one cream piece like this between the pieces from the previous row, and then we put 2 dark brown pieces above, and then we repeat, increase and 2 dark brown above. Repeat this until you complete the entire row. Finish the row. I finished the row, and next we put a normal cream row. Like this, and then above we put an entire dark brown row. Complete these 2 rows. I finish these 2 rows, and next we repeat. We put a normal cream row like this, and after we complete this row, we put a dark brown row above. Complete these 2 rows. I finish again these 2 rows, and next we put again 1 cream row. Do not forget to alternate the row, the direction of the rows. If you put a row in this direction like this, when we put the next row and we put again a dark brown row, we put the pieces in the other direction like this. It is very important to alternate the direction of the rows to maintain the straight of the pieces like this. Complete these 2 rows. I complete these 2 rows, and next we put again 1 cream row, like this, and after we finish this row, we put a dark brown row above. Finish these 2 rows. Next we put again one cream row like this. And after we finish this cream row, we put an entire dark brown row. Finish these two rows. I finish these two rows, and we have 15 rows in total until here, and the 16 rows will be a cream row like this. Complete the entire row. I finish this row, and now we push a little bit like this, and in the next row we decrease the number of pieces in a row, and first we put a normal row, one piece in two edges, and then we decrease the number of pieces. We put 3 edges from the previous row in only 2 pockets like this, and we repeat this until we finish the entire row. Complete the row. I finish this row, and now we have only 11 pieces in this last row, and next we put a cream row like this. Do not forget to glue. Now the model is finished, and we will push a little bit to give a nice round shape, and this is the first of the 3D origami eggs finish. I hope you enjoy this. In the next days I will make tutorials for the other models. They are very beautiful, and I think they are pretty easy to make and very small. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like my videos, please subscribe, rate, make comments, and share my videos. This is all for today. Have a nice day.